Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display specific record from table in Oracle database. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using online compiler. So by using this query, we are going to create table employee with employee ID, name, department. So we have 3 columns. And by using these queries, we are going to insert data into table employee. Now you see insert into employee values and then you see select static from employee. So by using this query, we are going to display all data of table, but now we are going to display specific data from table. Then right here select, then add static, now add from, then add table name employee. So you can add your table name, then add condition where, now add equal. Now add column name, employee ID. So you can add your column name, then add equal. Now write ID 1 or 2. So we have 2 record. So we added ID 1, then add semicolon. Now you see select static from employee where employee ID is equal to 1. Now click on run and then you see output. And you will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see table created by using this query, data inserted. And then you see employee ID, you see 2 record and then you see employee ID name. By using this query, we are going to display specific record which ID has 1. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.